Welcome back to my channel. I am here again to react on this video. There's something I want us to pay very close attention to. Sometimes when you hear these DOS people and when they put out their post and their nonsense argument about this and that, just look at this post, okay? Yes, I know you have watched it before, but there's something I want to share with you on this video. He said, breaking, this from Emeka gift. Imo youth burn down university, plan to host northern IDP camps instead. This plan is made by government of Imo State, right? And what they do, the IPO 9jeria decided to put the press release, which of course we have discussed that on our previous video. And on that press release, they were begging, oh, we don't bring it here, we reject it, we do this, we do that, without any action. Now, this guy, after Biafran Liberation Army went on and carried out the action to do the needful, for this guy to give kudos to who kudos is due, to appreciate the good work of the Biafran government in exile, he refused to do that, or even to keep quiet. But guess what? He chose to disgrace himself. Now, why I'm bringing this to you is not because you have not seen that. I know you have seen it. You have maybe you have seen it on this platform or elsewhere, that they claimed that the people that carried out the operation is Imo youth. Imo youth who couldn't do anything to any other activities. Now, here is the reason why we are here to discuss about this. It is clear that these people know the truth. Sometimes when you read their posts, you think maybe they are misinformed. No, they are doing it deliberately, just to discredit and to lie to the public and putting the lives of the Imo youth in danger. They don't care about the implication of what they're doing. They don't care about the activities, what they're saying or what they're writing in the public, because the government may say, okay, hopes of them is okay. People of Himembano, the youth there maybe do want to receive the attack, or maybe revenge, if I may use the word, believing that now IPOB have said that it's the youth that caused it. This is how these people are living their life by killing other people, putting lives of the youth in danger, knowing fully well that people that carry this operation has nothing to do with Imo youth or the villagers or whatever, but he chose to do that. Now, Biafran went on his post, on his post, and keep on reminding him, look, this is from Biafran Liberation Army. Idiot keep on laughing. Yes, I'm sorry for calling anybody idiot on this platform, but sometimes you need to show we are all human beings, right? The anger is top notch. Look at this one. He said, this person said, kudos to the Imo youth. This guy gave thumbs up here, as you can see on the screen. I don't know if you can see that, but I will try my best to bring it on. Okay. Ezuku said, hopeless Usodima is just playing with fire that will consume him and his entire family. Hope you will suffer for eternity. Now, pick the part of the comment that matters, where this guy is laughing. After telling him, look, that the people that carry this operation are Biafran Liberation Army. Even he replied to the one person that he should he said, give me a proof. Then I will acknowledge him. I acknowledge. But where did you get the proof of Imo youth that you are using? You see how evil and deadly these people can be. Because before you know it now, hope we send the soldiers to the to the villagers, to villages in this area, or maybe in Mbano or any other neighboring community may be the one to receive the killing that they are going to carry out, knowing fully well that people that have committed that carry this out, this action out, which everybody is celebrating, including him, but he don't care As long as he did not give credit to people that matter, he just choose to do otherwise. This is very, very bad. Now, here, Chibuike said, as you can see here, this evil boy, why are you putting the youth at risk? It is the BLA that did it. Why putting it on Imo youth to set them all for retaliation? You are evil, Emeka give. Just like I said. And what did he do? The reply here is LOLS. That is laugh of louds. Ochi Kadidota Nachi. Now, Okpolu Akpan said, I don't know if I pronounce his name well. Or his handle is Francis. Okay, let me call him Francis. He said, "What is funny about it? Stop being a nuisance, Emeka." Then this one said, Carpet Man said, "Good move. We don't want Afonja slayers in Alebo." Okay, he said this guy gave it thumbs up. Now I'm looking for a particular comment where his demand the proof. Okay, because now these people are very, very. If you don't know them, you on your own. Oh, my goodness, knowing fully well that the life of the youth will be in danger. Now here is the comment that I have been looking for. Namo the kind of like Samuel said, that's the name of the Twitter handle said, acknowledge the good of BLA for once and stop putting innocent youth in problems. Everybody also reason in line with what I just said. Emeka Gide said, Emeka Gide said, okay, give me evidence, I will acknowledge you. Then who gave you the evidence of you using Imo youth? Hi. Nah, these people, my goodness. Imagine, okay, look at this one called Biafran Person. These are the group of criminals and evil people. He said, just in the designed area in Imo State meant for IDP camp has been destroyed by unknown fire. Unknown fire. They know. And the Emeka reply, yeah. Another green, white, green. Freedom American said, kudos to Imo youth. Best news ever. This is to prove to you that they know what they're doing, intentionally doing, planning and plotting evil. For him to laugh at this issue, even if you made it as maybe out of mistake, you don't know that you don't know the implication of what you are doing. It is called for a concern. I don't want to video it too long because I just want to react on this because, oh my God, I feel so pained about this. So if Nigerian army kill these people, start killing people now, this guy will read the news. He will be the one to post it. And Nigerian army is killing our brothers and sisters in Imo State, but you don't know. Or why would I even say you don't know? You are the one, you know, because all of them are happy. You are the one that gave them the green light to go and kill innocent people that have nothing to do with whatever government is doing. Anyway, my people, thank you so much for your time. Just share this message and learn from this. Learn from it, because when PM said that this is what they're known for, he's not saying it just for saying sake. There's a reason for that. Thank you so much, and subscribe if you are new and like this video. God bless you. Take care.